Hey guys, Technomentary here with the exciting video for you guys here today. I bought an iPhone XR on eBay for a really good deal and want to do an unboxing and review for you guys because I know you guys have been looking for, cheap iPhones, and eBay is a great place to buy. But whenever you're buying from eBay, there's some tips and tricks I'm going to share with you guys and show you guys how you can get the cheapest deal and a great phone. So I bought an iPhone XR. As you can see here, this was ordered on the 21st of April and it came in only 2 days. This was coming from New York and I live in Pennsylvania, so hence why it probably took shorter amount of time. But usually within 3 4 days, you usually get your item that you order on eBay. Here, as you can see, this is the iPhone XR, 64 gig, T-Mobile, and its sub carriers, and this is the red edition, so product red. The item price was 364, but then you do have to pay tax, which I have to pay 6% tax for our state, so the total comes out to be 386, which is under $400, which is a really good deal because the iPhone XR, if you're buying new, is 599 plus tax, so that's almost close to 650. So this is a seller that I bought previously as well. It's a great seller. As you can, we're gonna look at the listing now itself. So this was just a purchase order. As you can see here, so I'm going to share with you guys about 5 tips whenever you're looking at a listing on eBay. Here I have the shipment that we're going to open up in a bit, but before we go ahead and do that, I want to show you the listing that I bought from. So here, this is the listing that I bought from. As you can see, it's an open box item. Usually whenever you're buying, you want to look for condition to be either used, seller refurbished, manufacturer refurbished, pre-owned, and open box and new. Those are the only ones I buy. Avoid the for parts and not working ones unless you really know how to fix phones. I usually stay away from that. The next thing I look for is the seller information right here. As you can see, this seller has over 246,000 feedback at a 99.3 positive feedback. That means this seller is good. You can always go ahead and click on the seller's name here, and then here it will show you when this seller has been a member. So he's been selling since '01, so he's a reliable seller. Looks like he has over 3,300 listings as well, so definitely not just a single seller. He sells a lot of stuff, so that are a legit seller. The next thing we want to look at is the amount of phones that this seller has sold. So you can see he sold 16 in the last 24 hours, and there's a lot that he's selling. We're able to actually pick a storage size, so there's only 64 gig, and then the color, as you can see. So the one that I bought is the product red. It's out of stock, and the black one is the only one left. He used to have white one, I assume, here, but over time, they sell out and then they list it again. But you might have to find it from a different seller because by the time you watch this, most likely these are already sold out. The next thing we want to look at is the shipping information. As you see here, most sellers on eBay will be doing free standard shipping, so you don't have to worry about paying shipping. Here and there, you have to pay for shipping depending on sellers, but most sellers offer free shipping. The last items that's really important whenever you look at a listing is this item right here that says return. So this listing offers free 30-day return, which means I can return the phone within 30 days if I don't like it. So that's the other thing you want to look at. Finally, you want to carefully read the listing itself. As you can see, this is an open box item in excellent condition and locked to T-Mobile. But with T-Mobile, you can also use the sub carriers. If you guys are looking for AT&T, you might want to look for AT&T phone, or if you are looking for an unlocked phone that you can use anywhere, then look for the unlocked ones, because the unlocked ones are usually a little bit more expensive, but you can use between different carriers. Then you can switch carriers without having to change the phone to that carrier specific device. You also want to note what's included here in this listing. So here they're still telling us they're going to include the iPhone XR, of course, with the color and capacity that you choose, the wall charger and the adapter for it, but no SIM card or headset. Of course, this is open box item, so you're not gonna get the headphones, and then some listings do give you the headphone. The SIM card is gonna be dependent on your carrier. So for this one, I would either need a T-Mobile, Metro PCS, or any of the sub carrier to actually use service on it. And then there's a summary here, and then product description, and again it goes into other details as well. So as you can see, this is a a good listing from my opinion. That's why I bought it from, and here's the box. So it came in 2 days. We're gonna go ahead and open the box up for you guys now. So as you can see, it came in this FedEx padded envelope here. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys now. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I'm opening it up right now, and I'll notice that there's the label actually that I bought over here from, the color and the condition and everything. And then it came in this generic box, as you see right here. In this generic box, we'll notice we have the iPhone and then the charger here. So we'll leave the charger aside and kind of take a look at the phone and the condition. You can see it came in this wrapping over here. First, we're going to go ahead and take that wrapping up so we can actually examine it closely. So from the first look at it, the screen, as you can see, there is nothing wrong with the screen, no scratch or anything like that. Let's look at the back side. So there's just a little dust, but you can wipe that off. Nothing on the back either. Let me reduce the brightness on this camera so you guys can see. Okay, so hopefully that gives you guys a better, clear picture. So there's a sticker with the IME number and everything. Let's look around the edges here. So the edges look clean as well. Nothing here. The bottom, I don't know if you can see, looks good as well to me. And then the side here. So as you can see, it's almost like a brand new phone because this is the open box condition one. So we're going to go ahead and power it on and then look at the actual, battery health, camera, and everything. Usually the listing are going to be fully functional. As in the listing, most of them will say the open box one, they guarantee you that. So you're not going to have any issues with any buttons, camera, or anything like that. So you want to look for listings that are fully functional. So here we're going to go ahead and show you guys, get through the setup screen. So I need to pick our country and then set up. Here I'm going to go ahead and put in my password for my Wi-Fi. So here you go. Putting in my Wi-Fi info now. It's going to take a few minutes to activate, but should be quick. So once it gets activated, we'll go into the home screen so we can actually open up camera and test out all the button to make sure it works. So stay with here. Let's keep on giving us. There you go. So we're at the data and privacy. We're going to quickly go and just the default and not set anything up, so I can just show you guys the home screen. Of course, you want to do that whenever you're setting up a phone. Oh, wrong thing. So we're gonna go back here. Don't use. Don't create. Don't transfer anything. So I'm not transferring any of my data. I'm gonna set this up later, but for now, I just want to show you guys what we have with the phone. So let's keep on going. Alrighty, so we are at the home screen. As you can see, this is the iPhone XR. You'll notice, the App Store, of course. That's what differentiates. If you have a fake one, it will take you to like some Google Store or some Android thing, but that is the App Store. That's the first thing you want to check. The next thing you want to check are the buttons. So we'll look at the volume up button, volume down button. They work fine. The next thing you want to look at the menu bar up top. That looks good. Now let's go and check the battery of the phone. So we're going to go into settings and then battery and then health. So this one, as you can see, it's at a 94%, which is great because for a used or open box item, you want to be anywhere above 80. Apple recommends changing a battery anything below 80%. So that's good because it's of course used, but not, like terrible with the battery. So, and then now we want to look at the camera. So the back camera looks fine, it's functional. Let's look at the front camera. As you can see, looks fine as well there, so no issues with the camera. So there you have it. The iPhone XR is we tested, everything looks good, no issue whatsoever. We were able to set up. It doesn't have what is known as iCloud lock. You never want to, I don't buy phones that are iCloud locked because you won't be able to use it. As you can see, I can put in my Apple ID account and I'll be set to go. So hopefully this video was helpful. So I do want to announce that we're actually doing a giveaway. So to enter the giveaway, simply like this video and then subscribe to our channel if you haven't, so you can actually be informed or be aware when we actually make the announcement when we do the giveaway. And then in the description, you'll see link to our Facebook page and our Twitter page. If you have Facebook, simply share this post of this video from our Facebook page, or if you have a Twitter, just retweet this post from our Twitter account. And then lastly, just comment wherever you shared it from so you can enter the giveaway. And we'll be giving this phone away once the video hits 100K views, which will be pretty fast. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.